Hey guys and girls, I was just letting you know about our new safety feature that we have here at Always a Sweep. We have these new smart pads, and what they do is on tile roofs, they stick to the aggregate of the tile and lets you distribute the weight properly and evenly all the way up so you can safely tarp off a chimney. All right, what they do is they have a foam bottom and they distribute the weight properly. So when you're on a tile roof like I am, you just set it down and you can walk right up the roof.